This is Module 7, Lesson 3, Check Understanding. You can find this on page 222, or you can follow along online. In a city election, 5,000 people voted for the mayor. If the new mayor received 60% of the votes, how many people voted for the new mayor? Show how you know. So 60% would be 60 over 100. So you need to make sure you're looking over here for 60 over 100. So this is not 60 over 100. This is not. So we're down to these two. And we know that 5,000 people voted all together. So both of these are right because it's on the bottom. We're trying to figure out the amount that voted for that specific mayor. So to get from 100 to 5,000, we're going to multiply by 50. So this one on the bottom is right. At the King School, 55% of the students take a bus to school. If 220 students take a bus to school, how many students are there total? Let me pull up our work page. So 55% would be 55, 55 over 100. We're going to multiply, not going to multiply that. We do not know the total because it says that. So the total would be the bottom box, but we know that 220 take the bus, so that goes on top. To get from 55 to 220, I'm going to multiply by 4. So 100 times 4 is 400. So our answer is going to be 400 students. Number 3, when Randy is 3 years old, the doctors tell his parents that Randy will be 180 centimeters tall when he's fully grown. If Randy is 90 centimeters tall, what percent of his expected adult height is he? So we're going to do 100, we're going to do 90 over 180. And we need to know for 100. Before we get too complicated here, let's look at 9. I cannot easily get 180 to be 100. But if I look at this fraction right here, I know that 90 is half of that. So I'm going to change 190 into half. 190 over 180 into half. Now I can do it. 2 times 50 is 100. So 1 times 50 is 50. So sometimes you might kind of have to change your fraction a little bit to make it get to be 100 for you. So it's 50%. Because 90 out of 180 is 50, it's half of it. And our last one on check understanding. On a math test, Janice answers 85%, so 85 over 100. She answered 17 correctly. How many are on the test? So she got 17 out of something. To get from 85 to 17, I'm going to be dividing. I'm going to divide by 5. 100 divided by 5 then is 20. So there is 20 questions on the test. And you are done with check understanding.